Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of sharing a quick review with you guys about a certain bakeware that I bought from Amazon around same time last year. So it's been 1 year and I really didn't want to just buy and give a quick review of it because that wouldn't be genuine. So I actually waited and I baked and I used and abused this particular bakeware for considerable amount of time, and now I'm making this video to show you guys what my actual final thoughts are about this bakeware. So yes, this is the bakeware which I got. I will put the actual link below, but then right now in real time while I checked the link on Amazon, this particular product is unavailable and they don't really know when it will be back in stock. Having said that, the picture, it doesn't look similar to this. I mean, now you're looking at it, it completely looks different. Like it has those handles on the sides so that you can hold it and move around, which is missing in this particular bakeware. But having said that, it's a pretty good baking utensil, or and what do you call it? I'm just going to call it bakeware. So yeah, I'm going to add little clippings of the stuff that I baked and the stuff that I used this particular bakeware for. I not only baked cakes, but I made a lot of savory dishes with this as well, and I haven't had any issue as such. But this is not non-stick, so you need to use a cooking spray or maybe butter or something like that. You need some grease in here, otherwise your dish is just going to get spoiled. I was just telling you about the things that I made using this. So I made cakes, I made focaccia bread, I made casseroles, the ziti pasta casseroles, enchiladas, and I think I also made pasta. Yes, I roasted vegetables in this and tried making the TikTok pasta, the feta pasta. So yeah, it just needs greasing and it's good to go. But I did notice that this has a couple of black marks. I'm not sure why. Maybe while cleaning this, when it gets scratched on the surface, it has a bit of black stains. But this is not bad. These are not food stains. These are just, I don't know how to call this, but it's basically the same way how you have those steel utensils at home. If you're Indian, you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll have certain scratches on the surface, right? It's the same with it. So this is an aluminium product. This product is really strong. I mean, I don't have any complaints. It doesn't break, it doesn't really bend or do something. If it falls, it doesn't change its shape. It's amazing and it's really strong. Ignore my nails. Yeah, so I was saying it's really strong and I highly recommend this. So when it comes to price, when I was buying it, it was $2.95 and I also paid 90 rupees extra for shipping. That's how Amazon deals. Even though I have Prime, I'm still paying shipping. Not sure how. And totally I paid around $3.95ish, something like that. Do the math, I might be wrong, but yes, currently it's unavailable, but I will find another alternative for this and I will link it below. And let me know if you already have it and you have different opinion from me, and if you have same opinion as me, whatever it is, please do share in the comments below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.